Well, I'm really looking forward to the liver meeting this year in 2013 for a few reasons. One, we're in a new location. We're in Washington, D.C. We haven't been there before. We're in this very exciting time in hepatology with new treatments for hepatitis C and other liver diseases. And things are changing almost week by week. So to get an update will be fantastic. So this year's AASLD postgraduate course is on the subject of new treatments for liver disease. And the purpose and the focus here is to introduce practitioners, those providing care for patients with liver disease, to new treatments, how they might work and how they might be deployed in the future. This course is really aimed at a variety of levels. Certainly the expert hepatologist will find something there, but we have a large focus on those who are not necessarily the expert hepatologists, perhaps gastroenterologists who see patients with liver disease in their office, trainees, fellows, nurse practitioners, physician assistants seeing patients with liver disease. But one feature that I'd really like to highlight, and this is a new one this year, is conundrums in liver disease. We have a session on conundrums in diagnosis in the first day, and then conundrums in treatment. And the idea here is to talk about clinical situations where there really may not be one right answer. And we have a group of expert clinicians who've been dealing with conundrums, problems like this for a long time, and they're going to tell the audience how they do it. So the Meet the Professor luncheons are a good opportunity for attendees to meet either speakers in the postgraduate course or other experts in almost a one-on-one setting, certainly a small group setting, an intimate setting where they can ask their questions much more easily. And also the topics of the luncheons have been chosen to supplement the didactic material that's in the postgraduate course. Well, I've been a regular attendee of the AASLD annual meeting now for 30 years. And I can remember the first time that I went. I was still a fellow, and it was very exciting seeing people who I just read about or whose publications I'd read about, and then actually being able to meet them, shake their hand, listen to them give a lecture, or meet them in a session like the Meet the Professor luncheon. For the first timers, I encourage them to come, learn, make friends, and be open to all this deluge of new information about treatment of hepatitis and other liver diseases. It's my hope that attendees will walk away energized. Liver disease is such a terrible problem. It's a real killer, and I think people will walk away feeling energized that they'll be able to do something to help their patients. New treatments in liver disease. Come and learn about them at the AASLD annual meeting this year, our postgraduate course in Washington, D.C. Be there.